Hi mates, I know if you have clicked on this video, you have probably got bored of using the old iOS keyboard with only one font type and emojis. In this video, I am going to show you how to get different beautiful and exciting font types using just one app. You can jump between different fonts and totally new emoji keyboard just like that. Okay, let's see how it's done. First, you have to download the free app Fonts Plus from the App Store. You don't have to search. Link down below in the description for your ease. After downloading the app, go to Settings and select Fonts Plus app. Then click Keyboards and switch on Fonts Plus. I recommend you to not allow full access, as allowing full access can potentially give the app developer access to your data you have typed with the keyboard, including things you have previously typed when full access was disabled. You can use it on any app. To use it, get your keyboard up on any app, then hold the small world icon and switch to Fonts Plus keyboard. You can select different fonts and emoji keyboard. If you want more, you can go to the app, then click Settings, Activate Fonts. There you can activate or deactivate fonts. To use some fonts, we have to pay. They are indicated in blue. There is another free thing you can do. It's absolutely free, you are not going to lose anything. And that is subscribing to this channel. Please subscribe and support. Okay guys, hope this video was useful. Leave a like and comment below. Share it with your friends. Bye for now.